about to go milk in a snowstorm, and I'm not sure how it's gonna go.
And the other thing is, the calf has been taking all the milk lately, so she's been producing a lot less, and I've been having to tell our customers, like, we have to wait a couple more days and stuff, and one customer lately, I just, like, didn't have milk for her. So I really can't screw this up. Yeah, I really need this milk.
Everything's full of snow. Nathan's gonna kill me when you see all the snow I tracked into the house. It's way too far for me to carry the buckets. I did that one time recently. It's just like injured my elbow because they were so heavy. So, yay! All right. Yep. Just like I thought. They're all hiding in there. Are you out of water? Just a little bit. I don't know if any of you have ever tried to record yourself milking, but yeah, it is not going the best right now, and it's getting dark. So as freaky as this is, trying to milk her, have her walk out in this snowstorm, you really don't want to do it in the dark. So it's just a mess, complete mess. Oh man. Alright, time to go get Tilly. Oh, my hair is getting so screwed up. My face, this is not working. Actually put in a little gate, finally, right there. But since Tilly's over here, I guess I'm going back to the long walk. Oh, this is so freezing. Oh crap, the rope is over here. Ah! I'm just gonna set you down for a second. This ground is super uneven. I just felt so bad the other day when she tripped because she like fell forward onto her knees in the mud and stuff, and she like had a hard time getting up. And there was nothing I could do. I felt so bad. I was just like saying, oh no, I'm so sorry. Oh, are you okay? But, you know, what else am I gonna do? And thinking, can she even tell that I care? You know, I don't know. She's just a cow. I would feel really bad if something happened to her, but also just like the investment side of it. That would suck. She's our only milk cow, and they are not cheap. Let me tell you. I think she was on the cheaper side. She was $1,800. So yeah, can't really afford to lose her right now. Tilly, you ready? You gonna come? It'd be really great if you did. Because it's freezing cold, I can't push the button with my hand. I've been pushing it with my nose. She was showing off last time. Wish she would do that again today. She's not going to though. I got a treat for you in the barn. You gonna come? You guys like your little shed? Perry's coming too. Just walk slow and calm, my dear. Okay, stop, just stop here. Okay, for a second, let me get this. Stay there. Oh, that's just, she's walking away. She's walking away while she's walking away while I get my camera sorted out. She knows. Tilly, don't you dare run off on a snowstorm day. Obviously, she's perfectly fine. Here I was feeling concerned about you. Get over here. Hey. Tilly. Oh, you naughty cow. Come here. Tilly. Oh, man. She always does this. Maybe she'll go into this tangent. See that? That's too... I'm too out of shape to chase after her. No, it's just the snow is super deep. I don't want to fall and get injured. So I've done that before. Tilly, she's going over there. Maybe she'll go on the tangent by herself. Good girl. What a good cow. Oh my goodness. You're such a good girl. I never doubted you for a second. Hey, come here. Alrighty. Come on. At least you came in here. That was good. I'm not even sure if this video is working right now. It's super choppy. But we made it. Oh, I'm so glad. Obviously, no reason to worry about her falling. She was running away from me. All right. This is the easy part. The snow is falling off of her. You relax, Tilly? That's good. She gets freaked out sometimes. If I ever have anybody else in the milking parlor with me, she gets freaked out. The only time she didn't, ironically, was when our farmer neighbor came over. He knows his way around cows. He's a beef farmer. She wasn't freaked out about him. I don't know why. She like knew that he knew about cows. She's getting really. Her eyes are closing. So cute. That's what I like to see. It's still really snowy out. Looks kind of beautiful. Let me show you. It's kind of pretty. Been wanting it to snowstorm this whole winter because we just moved here and we haven't had a good snowstorm yet, you know. I just wanted to see what our property would look like covered in white. But I will say that now that I got my wish, I'm okay if it doesn't do it again this year. There's nothing in there. There never is anything in there. I don't know why you insist on looking every time we come out. We're gonna walk really calm and steady back while holding a camera. Oh, this is freezing my face. Doing good, Tilly. I guess snows must not be a problem for cows. Oh, dude, I left the gate open. I left the gate wide open. Darn it. That is the problem with recording. I really hope Sophie didn't get out. Okay. Whew, it's hard to do with numb fingers. Yay! You stayed in. That's so good. Hi, Sophie. You're such a good cow, aren't you? All right, you guys. Have a good evening. Only got 2 jars, but it's better than nothing. So, at least, I don't know what to say. I'm really tired now. But anyway, it's a good ending. Got the milk safe and sound. See you guys next time.